Not sure how to submit a service request within your community's resident portal? Here's how. Once you're logged into your community's dashboard, click on the My Items tab. A list of your most recent communications will populate. The next step here is to click on Submit a Request in the submenu. Next, select General Request and scroll down to the form. Your address should already be pre-populated. Simply set the request type to Service Request. Confirm what the subject of your request is and provide more details to make sure that all the necessary information is included. You can also attach supporting documentation. Double check that everything looks correct and click Submit Form. You'll receive an on-screen confirmation that the request has been successfully submitted, with it also now showing in your My Items list. If you need additional assistance navigating your community's portal, please visit the link provided for more quick training videos or get in touch with us. We're happy to help.